Alright, welcome back. We're going to be reacting to the Clips and John Legend collab that just came out. Voices of Fire. We got the music video here. It's about 5 minutes, kind of a longer video. But yeah, let's get into it.
There you go, nice. Yeah, nice.
For whether we live.
It's a cool intro.
And whether we die unto the Lord. Whether we live, therefore, or die, we are the Lord.
This is about to be hard. I already know. Dude, Clips, John Legend, same song. Dude. Alright, we got a pregnant lady. Nice. Flash warning. The birds don't sing.
Lost in emotion, mama's youngest. Trying to navigate life without my compass. Some experience death and feel numbness. But not me, I felt it all and couldn't function. Seeing you that day, telling you my plans, but I was leaving you that day. It was in God's hands. Yeah, it was at Elon's waiting to get with me. On my way to Texas, that's when Virginia hit me. And I realized in that instant, our last conversation, you was against it. Told you I was going to church for Thanksgiving. I heard what I wanted to hear, but didn't listen. You said you told Gene that Buck needed...
Wait, time out. I know he's spitting, but is his mom dead? Is that what's happening right now? I should probably look that up. I don't know exactly what's going on, but he's deep right now.
Forgiveness. I see you went to Didi's and stuffed both her fridges. You even told Dad you wished y'all never split it. See, you were checking boxes, I was checking my mentions, saying you was tired but not ready to go. Basically was dying without letting me know. I loved you, Med Naj. Hate that he won't remember you. Two things that break my heart is what November's do. And T follows you. Now mind you, Didi calls you. Gene finds you. Was that your vision? Precision. While I'm reminiscing, it all hits different. My listen. The birds don't sing.
Oh, he's spitting. He's spitting. Look. Oh my gosh, I love John Legend, dude. He's going crazy right now.
Birds don't sing, the birds don't sing, they screech in pain.
It's a cool ass shirt he got on, I can't lie. The Hot Wheels right there, man.
Your car was in the driveway, I knew you were home. By the third knock, a chill ran through my bones. The way you miss mama, I guess I should've known. Chivalry ain't dead, you ain't let her go alone. Found you in the kitchen, scriptures in the den. Half-written text that you never got to send. Combing through your dresser drawer, where do I begin? Posted noted Bible quotes, were you preparing then? I can hear your voice now, I can feel your presence. Asking
What is happening? Hold on, I think I need to look this up. Hold on, I don't know what this is about. I've got to figure this out. If you don't want to figure out what it's about just yet and you want to wait on the song, you can skip, but I want to figure this out. The birds... Oh. The birds... don't sing. Song meaning. I don't know if they both died or. Okay, that is not what I wanted. Clips. Wait, get out of my face. Deaths of loved ones, particularly parents. Okay, so okay, I get it now. They passed away. I was very confused. I don't know if I should have been or not, but
Should I rap again? You gave me your blessing. The way you spelled it out, there's an L in every lesson. Boy, you owe it to the world. Let your mess become your message. Shared you with my friends, the pops they never had. You lived for our fishing trips. Damn, I had a dad. Mine taught discipline. Mine taught structure. Mine didn't mind when he had to pull a double. Mine worked overtime, smiled through the struggle. Cause mine wouldn't let us feel what he had to suffer. See, mine made sure he had every base covered. So imagine his pain finding bass in the cupboard. Birds don't sing if the words don't sting. Your last few words in my ear still ring. You told me that you love me, it was all in your tone. I love my 2 sons was the code to your phone. Now you home.
Oh! This is beautiful.
The birds don't sing, the birds don't sing, they screech in pain.
Is that Tyrod Taylor? Is that who that is? Okay, that's Tyrod Taylor, NFL quarterback. Random in this video, but sure.
The birds don't sing, the birds don't sing, they screech in pain. Don't ever come back again, no, no.
Remember those who lost their mothers and fathers. And make sure that every single moment that you have with them, you show them love. You show them love. You'll see.
Man, that was sick. That was great. I didn't fully understand it at first. I had to look it up, but John Legend was going insane on that. I love his voice. His voice is always just puts a different type of soul into a song. And you had Malice just spitting the entire time. No, that was pretty good. That was really good. I enjoyed that a lot.